So just copy this link, paste it inside there, and now sit back, relax, and earn 39 cents every 60 seconds on complete autopilot. Hey guys, Damien Belak here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to earn exactly 39 cents every 60 seconds on complete autopilot. Now guys, 39 cents isn't really that much, but if you make 39 cents and multiply by 60 minutes, that's going to give you $23, and if you multiply that by 24 hours in a day, you can potentially make up to $560 per day on complete autopilot if you do this the right way. Now this is going to require 30 to 40, 50 minutes work every single day to keep this up and running. But don't worry guys, I'm going to explain to you in detail, step by step, this entire process. Now guys, just to make things clear, this method does not require you to sell anything to anyone. So this is why it's so awesome, and you can do this worldwide. Now before I get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're new, hit that like button to support this channel and comment what you think about this method. Now I want you to watch this video till the very end, second by second, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you something awesome. I'm going to be sharing with you a simple 3-step process that's going to show you how to build and launch your online affiliate marketing business in just 3 days. So make sure to watch this video till the very end so you don't miss out on that important part. Now without further ado, let's hop right into this method. Now first of all, you will need a CPA Group account. Now this is a CPA marketing network that's going to allow you to promote different types of CPA offers. Now every time somebody submits one of these offers, you're going to get paid. So if you don't already have an account, make sure to go to cpagrip.com and click on register. Now I'm going to speed up this entire process, but one thing you should know, that when you're signing up, make sure to select publisher type GPT, get paid to. This is going to allow you to get accepted instantly. Okay, so I'm going to speed up the process right now. I'm going to sign up quickly to create a brand new account. Okay, so now click on the register button down here. Now head over to your email address that you used to sign up with CPA Grip. Open the email you received and click on the link to validate your email address. Now once you are approved and you have verified your email, you want to set up all your account tax documents if you already haven't, and also make sure to select a payment method on file, so PayPal or your credit card bank details. Now this is a brand new account that I used just for this YouTube video, so I'm not going to be doing that right now, but more importantly, I want to show you how you can make 39 cents every single 60 seconds on complete autopilot. Now one more thing, this is the public chat. This gives you basic information on how much people are making all time or per day. For example, Waleed earned $4 today, Big Fish has earned $109 all time, and also Wheat has earned $173,000 all time. So people are making so much money with these CPA marketing methods. So you can scroll through the public chat yourself and see how much people are making realistically every single day or all time. So you can see what's possible and you can get motivated yourself. So what you want to do right now is click on Offer Tools and click on My Offers. This is going to show you all of the offers that are available to you for all countries. Okay, so you can pick any of these offers you want. You can promote any of these offers. And now you can see that there's a bunch of offers that we can start promoting right now. Now, this is by the net performance. So it automatically sorted all of these offers by net performance. So this gives me an idea that this $500 ASOS gift card, which has a payout of $2.22, has a net profit of 100% and a net conversion rate of 33%. Excuse me. So this means that every time you get 100 people to this exact offer, that means 33% of those 100 people convert. So obviously 33% out of 100 is 33 people. So if 33 people convert and you make $2 per conversion, you're gonna make anywhere about $60. But that was just an example per 100 visitors. But more importantly, this is an important metric, the EPC. This is the earnings per click. This is how much you're gonna be making per click. But bear in mind, this is an Australian offer. So you're gonna be getting people just from Australia. Now, I'm gonna show you the offer that I found and that I'm gonna be using to make 39 cents per click. So I'm gonna go to categories and I'm gonna click on email submits because these are by far the easiest offers to convert. Nobody has to buy anything. All you have to do is share your affiliate link and your website traffic visitors have to enter their email address and you make a small conversion. This is how CPA, cost per acquisition marketing works. So get the new PS5 now. This is an offer that has an earnings rate per click of 39 cents, just as I mentioned at the beginning of this video. It has a net performance of 93% and a net conversion rate of 24%. So this is very, very good. So you can preview the landing page and your link right here. So this is the landing page that your website visitors are gonna land on, and this is your link that you're gonna promote. So we can copy this link and save it for later. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get traffic to this link. Now guys, once you have your affiliate link copied, you wanna go to bit.ly.com, create a free account, and we wanna shorten this URL. So make sure to sign up for a free account. I'm gonna log in right now and we're gonna shorten the URL. Now once you're in your bit.ly back office, you wanna click on create your first link right here and paste your affiliate link that you have just copied a few minutes ago inside here. Enter long URL. Now you wanna click on create. Okay, so this is your awesome customizable bit.ly link. So we can name this, for example, free PS5. Now we can add a title so we know for ourselves that what this link is. Now click on save. Okay, the custom link is taken. So I'm just gonna add something like this. And there we go, we have the free bit link that's gonna track our website clicks ready to go. Now we can copy this link and let me show you now how to get website traffic, unlimited website traffic to this exact link. Now guys, since we are promoting a PS5 giveaway, we wanna go inside the gaming niche. So there's a bunch of forums, Q&A websites on the internet that gamers are on and are communicating on. So for example, this one is forums.pcgamer.com. So in this forum, there's a bunch of gamers, hundreds of thousands of gamers, that are interested in games, consoles, PCs, etc. So what we want to do is register for a free forums PC Gamer account. Okay, so I'm going to do it right now. Click on register and basically just create a free account, put in all your information, and once I'm done with this, I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, so now once you have a free account, make sure to have a legit username. So mine is Damien Belak. Now what you want to do is click on signature. Now what this is it's basically a signature that's going to appear on every single post or reply that you're going to post on this forum. So right here, all you want to type is exactly this: free PS5 giveaway for October 2021, and then add your link. Now it's very important that you add the month and the year, because this is going to make it a bit more legit. Okay, and now every time you reply to a post comment or to a specific post, everyone that's going to see your reply or your post are going to see your signature, and this is your signature that's going to lead them to a free PS5 giveaway link. When they click on it, they submit their email address if they're interested. You're going to make a commission. And now what you want to do is on the left side right here, excuse me. You want to click on trending posts, and you want to simply start engaging with these users. So you can simply go to all of these games or these best computer mouse, what's your favorite PC puzzle game. You want to click on these actual posts and these communications, and you want to start replying, legitimately replying to these people. Like if somebody is asking a question, you want to reply to their question with a serious answer, and your signature is going to appear at the bottom of your answer, and a lot of people are going to see that link. Okay, so guys, this is a very, very powerful method, and once all of your offers, all of your stuff is set up, your signature, now all you have to do is engage every single day for like 30, 40, 1 hour every single day. You want to engage with other people, with other people's posts. You want to answer questions, like take your time. You have 1 hour per day and put 1 hour per day in. Okay, so this is exactly how you can make 39 cents every 60 seconds on complete autopilot. Make sure you stay consistent with this method. Now, at the beginning of this video, I promised that I'm going to show you a 3-step process that hundreds of people use to quit their 9-to-5 job and do affiliate marketing full time. So if you want to learn this 3-step process, then click the first link below this video. You're going to be redirected to my page. It's going to look something like this. And basically, I'm going to show you in 3 days how to build and launch your very own affiliate marketing business from scratch, completely from the ground up. And potentially, I want you to quit your 9-to-5 job as soon as possible. So this 3-step process is set up to help you quit your 9-to-5 job as soon as possible, and how basically launch your business in just 3 days. So in day number 1, I'm going to show you my simple but powerful 3-step system to make daily commissions online. In day 2, I'm going to show you how to, you're going to watch me build a business in front of you. So step by step and click by click in just 30 minutes. And in day 3, I'm going to show you how I get thousands of eyeballs on all of my offers on autopilot without having to pay for ads. And I'm also going to show you how you can copy everything that I used to create a 6-figure business online. So if you're interested in this exact 3-day challenge and you want to learn this 3-step process to affiliate marketing and start a legitimate affiliate marketing business from the comfort of your home, then click the link below this video, enter your email on this exact page, and I'm going to show you what to do next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button to support this channel, and also comment down below what you think about this method. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.